Maintaining a comfortable indoor environment is essential for homeowners in Fort Worth, where hot summers and occasional cold fronts can make temperature control a challenge. Windows play a critical role in comfort, energy efficiency, and overall indoor air quality. Vinyl windows, in particular, have become a popular choice because they combine durability, insulation, and low maintenance to help create a more comfortable living space. One of the primary ways vinyl windows improve comfort is through energy efficiency. Fort Worth experiences high summer temperatures, and homes without proper insulation can quickly become uncomfortably warm. Vinyl windows are designed with insulated frames and multi-pane glass options that reduce heat transfer, keeping cool air inside and hot air outside. In the winter, the same insulation prevents indoor heat from escaping, maintaining a consistent and comfortable temperature. This energy efficiency not only improves comfort but also helps homeowners reduce their utility bills. Sealing and weatherproofing are also key factors in the comfort provided by vinyl windows. Over time, older windows may develop gaps or cracks that allow air, dust, and even moisture to enter the home. Vinyl windows are engineered to fit tightly within the frame, with advanced weather stripping that prevents drafts and minimizes outdoor air infiltration. This tight seal keeps unwanted heat, cold, and humidity from affecting indoor spaces, creating a more controlled and stable environment. Vinyl windows also contribute to better indoor air quality. Drafty or poorly sealed windows can allow pollen, dust, and other allergens to enter the home. By maintaining a tight seal, vinyl windows reduce the amount of outdoor pollutants that enter living spaces, helping to create a healthier environment. For households with children, pets, or individuals with allergies, this can make a noticeable difference in daily comfort. Another factor is noise reduction. Fort Worth neighborhoods can be busy, with traffic, construction, and other sounds impacting indoor tranquility. Vinyl windows provide excellent sound insulation due to their multi-pane design and tight seals. This helps reduce external noise, allowing residents to enjoy a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. The combination of temperature control and noise reduction contributes significantly to overall comfort. Vinyl windows are also durable and low maintenance, which adds to their long-term comfort benefits. Unlike wood, vinyl does not warp, rot, or require frequent painting. It is resistant to the effects of UV rays and humidity, which are common in Fort Worth's climate. Homeowners can enjoy consistent performance without worrying about seasonal damage or deterioration. The durability of vinyl windows ensures that comfort and efficiency are maintained for many years with minimal upkeep. Customizable designs allow vinyl windows to meet both aesthetic and functional needs. Whether it's double-hung, casement, or sliding styles, vinyl windows can be configured to optimize airflow, natural light, and ventilation. Proper placement of windows can enhance cross-ventilation, helping to cool indoor spaces naturally and improve comfort during warm months. The ability to combine style and performance makes vinyl windows a versatile choice for any home. Professional installation is essential for maximizing the comfort benefits of vinyl windows. Even the best window materials will underperform if not installed correctly. A precise installation ensures proper sealing, alignment, and functionality, preventing air leaks and enhancing energy efficiency. By working with experts, homeowners can ensure that their vinyl windows perform optimally and provide consistent comfort throughout the year. In addition to practical benefits, vinyl windows can improve the overall aesthetic appeal of a home, which contributes to a sense of satisfaction and enjoyment in living spaces. Bright, well-lit rooms with controlled temperatures and low noise create a more pleasant and inviting environment for families and guests alike. In conclusion, vinyl windows help Fort Worth homeowners create a more comfortable indoor environment by improving energy efficiency, reducing drafts, controlling humidity, minimizing noise, and supporting better air quality. Durable, low maintenance, and customizable, these windows provide long-term performance that enhances comfort and convenience. When combined with professional installation, Vinyl windows are an excellent investment for any home looking to maximize indoor comfort year-round.